Guys, and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to do the outline trend outline effect on TikTok, so keep on watching. First of all, you have to go to the discover button from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for outline. Just like this, and once you are here you have to click on the outline effect and you have to click on try this effect. And once you are here, you have to go to add sound from the top of the screen. And usually people use the song these days. Click on the song these days. Click on the check mark. And now you have to select how many seconds you want your TikTok to be. I will leave it to 3 minutes. And once you're happy with that, it says record up to 45 seconds, so make sure to keep that in mind. Click on the record button, and once you hit the record button you can start to outline your face by using your finger. You have to do just like this. Make sure to be fast. Try to do your best. At the top of the screen you will see the blue line. It's pretty hard. Don't forget to do your nose. And once you are done, this is your video. And from here you just have to click next from the right bottom corner, and then describe your video and post it on TikTok. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.